Measure called the Fetal Heartbeat Bill easily passed a Tennessee House committee today, and that's where we continue our news on News Channel 11 at 5:30.
State Capitol Newsroom reporter Chris Bungard tells us the anti-abortion bill proposed by Jonesboro Representative Micah Van Huss now has a clear path to the House floor.
Once again in these hallways, a bill on abortion shows a great divide.
House Bill 77 would ban abortions after a fetal heartbeat is detected. I'll be happy to answer any questions.
There were many questions on the measure called the Fetal Heartbeat Bill came only from the Democrats on the Republican-dominated House Health Committee.
House Bill 77 would prevent most women from getting abortions as early as 6 weeks into a pregnancy before many women even know they are pregnant.
More questions about any exceptions the bill might make for abortion showed the deep divisions.
Are you stating that even in the case of rape, incest, that you're banning or prohibiting an abortion?
I am. I do not think, Mrs. Cooper, that you would think that killing babies is the right thing to do.
It is absolutely sick and twisted. All lives matter. All.
Unlike most legislative committees, applause broke out when lawmakers defined their views on the abortion question.
Women's health and lives should not be used as political pawns. And that's what we're doing right here. That is exactly what we're doing.
After 45 minutes of debate, the Fetal Heartbeat Bill passed the House committee strictly along party lines. Those court challenges and the cost to the state will be another question as the Fetal Heartbeat Bill goes through the committee system up here. Reporting from the state capitol, Chris Bungard.
Those court challenges and the cost to the state will be another question raised as the Fetal Heartbeat Bill also goes through state Senate committees.